Hey guys, this is my Vise unboxing video. Here's the Vise. And don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to Nigga Gaming. I will set up this Vise now. As you can see, it's a 75 millimeter, 25 millimeter throat depth, and 60 millimeter jaw opening. It's light duty and it's a clamp on, meaning I guess it can clamp onto my desk. I'll show you here in a second. Okay. Cool. And there we go. It's clamped onto my desk right here. You can see right here. There it is. The clamp. Yeah. And for the next video, I'm gonna show you how it's done, how to use this Vise. And yeah, shout out to the guy who bought me this. You can subscribe to my Patreon, and it's in the description down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Nigga Gaming for more gaming videos and unboxing videos. Thank you, and peace out.